Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to level up fast on Poppo Life. It's very easy, so let's get started. So once you are able to level up on Poppo Life, you'll be able to gain more features and also make more money. All right, so let's see how you can level up. So if you want to level up, the first step to take, of course, is open your Poppo Live application and log into your account. After that, you have to head to your profile. Right, so once you are right here on your profile, what you have to do next is to scroll down to the bottom area of your screen, and you're going to notice the level icon. Tap on that. All right, so once you tap on that, from here you can see how you can level up or upgrade. So just scroll down, and you are going to see that for you to level up, you have to purchase certain amounts of coin. Now for the level 1, you just need 0 coin to be purchased. For level 2, you need 3,000. For level 3, you need 6,000. For level 4, 16,000, and it goes on and on like that, as you can see right here. And this for wet level. And this one is actually for wet level. And if you want to see how you can level up fast in terms of live stream level, then you have to select the live stream level at the top part of your screen. You see the live stream level, right? So as you can see right here, for live stream level, you have to purchase 0 coin in order for you to upgrade to level 1, and you have to purchase 10,000 coin for level 2, 70,000 for level 3, and it goes on and on like that. So guys, that's it. This is how you can actually level up on Poppo Life. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.